In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login form using Google Forms in just 5 minutes. Google Forms is an incredibly versatile tool that helps you gather and organize data seamlessly. Whether for school, work, or personal projects, this guide will walk you through each step to create an effective form. First, let's begin by going to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, make sure you use your Google account credentials to log in. Once you're in your Google Drive, you'll see a range of options. Look for the New button, typically found in the upper left corner of the page. Clicking it will drop down a variety of options, but what we're interested in today is Google Forms. When you click on Google Forms, you'll be presented with a couple of options. Go ahead and select Blank Form. This option will create a new form from scratch, giving you the flexibility to adapt it according to your specific needs. Now that your blank form is ready, it's time to give it a name. Naming your form is crucial because it sets the context and purpose for your users. Consider something straightforward like user login form. With the form named, let's move on to populating it with questions. For a login form, you'll want to at least include fields for a username or email, a password, and perhaps a space for comments or questions. Start by clicking on Untitled Question and typing in username or email. Ensure that the response type is set to Short Answer, which works well for inputs like these. Next, you'll want to add a field for the password. Similarly, click to add another question and type in password. Again, the short answer option is appropriate for this kind of input. Adding a question for a password helps in mimicking the login experience, although keep in mind this isn't secure for actual passwords. For added functionality, consider including a link or section labeled Forgot Password in your form. Although this won't have the back-end functionality to reset a password, it aligns your form with typical login interfaces users are accustomed to. As a final element, you might want to provide a sign-in or submit button. While this is automatically included when the form is published, it's good to preview how the form looks. Furthermore, make sure to toggle the required option for each question that needs mandatory input. This can be done by clicking the required button toggle at the bottom right of each question. Once you're satisfied with the layout and content of your form, it's time to preview it. Click on the eye icon at the top right corner of the page. This preview step is essential for ensuring everything appears as expected before sharing it with others. Finally, when you're ready, click Send or Publish to share the form. You can use the link generated to distribute this form via email, social media, or any other way you choose. And there you have it, you've created a straightforward login form using Google Forms in just 5 minutes.